6th standard students, let us start from page number 92. Angles, acute, obtuse and reflex. So we saw that we mean by a right angle and a straight angle. Already we talked in the 5.1 and 5.2. However, not all the angles we come across are one of these two kinds. Definitely the angle made by a ladder with the wall or with the floor is neither a right angle nor a straight angle. You can see it is ladder and it is floor. Okay, so suppose that if I will keep this pencil in this way, so with the edge you can see the angle form, or you can see in the letter L, N, angle is forming here also. Okay, so is neither a right angle nor a straight angle. You can see here. Think, discuss and write. Are there angles smaller than a right angle? Are there angles greater than a right angle? Have you seen a carpenter's square? It looks like the letter L of English alphabet. He uses it to check right angles. L let us also make a similar tester for a right angle. So this type of tester we can make. Now see here, do this. Step 1, take a piece of paper, okay, fold it somewhere in the middle in this way, paper, fold it, again fold the straight edges just like this. Your tester is ready. Observe your improvised right angle tester. Shall call it RA tester? Yes, right angle tester. Does one edge end up straight on the other? So see here, if you with this angle, or if you will cover inside the angle, this will form inside this L. Suppose any shape with corners is given, you can use your RA tester to test the angle at the corner. So do the edge match with the angles of a paper? If yes, it indicates a right angle. So we can draw. No need to, if we want to make here angle L, if you want to. So it is forming inside the right angle. Now try this. The hour hand of a clock moves from 12 to 5. You can see here. Is the revolution of the hour hand more than one right angle? Yes, right angle will form here. Revolution, if 3 is there, so 12 to 3, right angle will be there. It is more than L. You can draw L. So this ray is outside of the L shape. What does the angle made by the hour hand of the clock look like when it moves from 5 to 7? Now 5 to 7, so try to make L. So L you can here, L shape. So this ray is inside the L. Angle moved. Is the angle moved more than one right angle? From where? 5 to 7. 5 to 7, L is here. So it is more than? No. It is less than the right angle. Draw the following and check the angle with your RA tester. So RA tester, instead of RA tester, we imaginary line. We will imagine the line, and inside the L or outside the L we will check. Now for this we can use this clock also. From 12 to 2. 12 to 2. Right angle will form here. So inside the right angle. From 6 to 7. 6 to 7. And for 6 to 9, right angle will form here inside the right angle. From 4 to 8, 4 is here and 8 is here. So 4 to 8, and L will form from 4, L will form here. So outside, 4 to 8 outside of the right angle. From 2 to 5, 2, if 2 is here and 5 is here. So 2 to 5 right angle will form at 4. So outside. So greater than the right angle, outside. Take 5 different shapes with corners, name the corners, examine them with your tester and tabulate your result for each case. So for each case result, and you can use here smaller than greater than, and different shapes you can cut, or with the help of clock. So this activity you will do make one video and then send to me. Other names: an angle smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. These are acute angle, that means less than 90 degree. So acute angle is there. Do you see that each one of them is less than 1/4 of a revolution? Examine them with your RA tester. 1/4, that means 90 degree. If we will divide 360 degree into 1/4, that means 360 degree, if we will divide by 4, we will get 90 degree. Now see in this rounder, you can see here angle is forming, or you can see here angle is forming. So L shape, if we draw L shape, inside the L shape angle is forming, so it is an acute angle. Here also you can see acute angle. And then now see here, if an angle is larger than a right angle but less than a straight angle, that means if an angle, the measurement of an angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, exact 180 degree angle is called a straight angle. So between the measurement between the 90 degree and 180 degree, then angle is called an obtuse angle. These are obtuse angle. (90 degree) and here is 90 degrees forming. Now see here, less than 90 degree, so acute. Here exact 90 degree, here acute, and here obtuse. Same way, acute less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree, easily you can see, and L will form here, so outside of L, so obtuse angle. Do you see that each one of them is greater than 1/4 of a revolution but less than half of a revolution? Your RA tester may help to examine. So you will make video and you will save. Identify the obtuse angle in the previous example too. That means in the clock. So in the clock we can see here, pay attention, more than 90 degree, 90 degree will be here, so more than 90 degree, that means obtuse, acute, and you will draw and you will send one video, you will make, and you will tell where the acute angle is forming and where obtuse angles are forming. Okay, now see here, a reflex angle is larger than a straight angle, that means more than 180 degree. It looks like this. See the angle mark outside. Reflex angle is, obtuse angle is forming here, reflex angle is forming here. Were there any reflex angle in the shape you made earlier? How would you check for them? So were there any reflex angle in the shape? Reflex angle. How would you check for them? Yes, in 3/4 revolution we have seen the reflex angle. Now see, try this. Look around you and identify edges meeting at corners to produce angles. List 10 such situations. So table's corner. So you will see these things and you will send these situations and send on my personal WhatsApp numbers. List 10 situations where the angles meet are acute. List 10 situations where the angles meet are right angles. Find 5 situations where obtuse angles are formed. List 5 other situations where reflex angles may be seen. So this you will find and try. And if you got these situations, please send on my personal WhatsApp number in the written form. Let us start exercise 5.3. match the following. Straight angle, that means exact 180 degree. Less than 1/4 of revolution, less than 1/4, that means less than 90 degree. More than half of a revolution, that means more than 180 degree. Half of a revolution, that means exact 180 degree. So straight angle, C. Right angle, between 1/4 and half of a revolution. So 1/4, that means 90, and half, that means 180 degrees. So between, that means greater than 90 and less than. So not. Now right angle, 1/4 of a revolution. The exact meaning of right angle is when 360 degree we will divide by 4, 1/4 revolution. So degree we will get 90 degrees. So right angle, that means 1/4 of a revolution. Acute angle, so acute angle less than 90 degree, that means less than 1/4 of a revolution. Obtuse angle, that means greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So between 1/4 and a half of a revolution. So fourth E. Reflex angle, less is more than half of a revolution. That is called greater than 180 degree. So more than half of a revolution. Now question number 2. Classify each one of the following angles as right, straight, acute, obtuse, reflex. Narrow, acute. 90 degree you will get in this way. So more than 90 degree, obtuse. Here exact L shape, right angle. Here reflex angle, outside. Here exact straight angle, 180 degree. Here L shape you will get in this way. So inside the L shape, that means acute angles are there. So here 5.3 is finished.